This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Identify your GPU and device manager so you download the correct package. Once done, create a system restore point to revert if needed. This prevents surprises. Next, visit the GPU vendor page and pick the Windows 10 driver for your exact model, not the generic one. Make sure the download matches 32 versus 64-bit and note the installer location. While the file saves, close heavy apps. That reduces conflicts during install and speeds the process. You now run the installer. Prefer custom if you need a clean install. Choose Express for simplicity. If the vendor advises, uninstall the current driver first via Device Manager. Right-click GPU, uninstall device, and then run the new installer to avoid leftover files. During setup, accept any display driver components and optional control panels you want. Once installation completes, reboot immediately so the new driver integrates with Windows. After reboot, verify the driver version in Device Manager to confirm success. You're in final checks. Run a quick game or benchmark to validate performance and look for artifacts. If you see crashes or degraded behavior, go to Device Manager and use Rollback Driver. That restores the prior driver. If problems persist, reboot to safe mode and use Display Driver Uninstaller. To fully remove driver remnants, then reinstall the vendor package. One key troubleshooting tip. Always boot safe mode when system instability prevents normal rollback or uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.